Hey guys, what's up? This is Shabir Ahmed Khan here, and I'm just making this video as kind of a journey with Clickbank. Okay, my journey with Clickbank that I'm going through, and I just want to share my results with you in real time here. Okay, I'm doing this for my followers, for my audience, for my subscribers that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, so that to give them a clear, transparent view of how it is going. I have recently started uh, testing Clickbank products with paid ads, and it's working good for me, and I'm in profit. And that I just want to share that journey with you here. Okay, now if you see, this is my Clickbank account. I'm just going to refresh the screen here in front of you. So there you go. I've just refreshed the screen. I'll refresh it once more. Okay, there you go. Okay, now if I scroll down, you can see that I started my campaigns in August. Okay, you can see that from 18th August I started my campaign, and in the first week between 18th August to 24th August I made $50 in sales. Then in the second week between 25th of August to 31st of August, I made $316 in sales. Then in the third week between 1st September to 7th September, I made $373 in sales. Then in the 1, 2, 3 for fourth week, I made about between 8 September to 14 September, I made $383 in sales. Then this week between 15 September to 21st September, I've made $99 in sales. And you can see my account in real time here. And if I click affiliate, you can see the sales numbers. So pretty much, I'm just sharing this. Like you see, on September 12th was a growth day, made $229. On September 5, made $322. I'm still in the testing phase, guys. I have never done Clickbank in the past. And I recently started doing it, and it's working good for me. And I'm doing it with paid ads. I can show you uh, my profits. Let's say I can show you my profit for this week between 8 September to 14 September. So if I go to my ads account, I'm running Google ads for this. And if I select 8th September to 14th September, okay, so I'll click this. I'm going to select 8 September to 14 September. Okay, so 8 to 14, click apply. Now this is the campaign that I'm running here. Okay, I started this on 18th of August, as you can see that. Now you see I spent about 12,000 rupees, that's Indian currency, in ads. Now if you are outside, if you're not an Indian, let's just do the quick maths here. If I open INR to USD, so I've spent about $169 in ads. Okay, got the conversions, and if I go to Clickbank, so total ad spend is about $169, and for this week between 8 September to 14 September, and I have made about $383. So you see that. So if I copy this and minus 169, so that's about $214 is the profit that I made in this particular week. See that? Now let's do for the other week. Let's do the for 1st September to 7th September. Let's go back 1st to 7th. Let's go to Google Ads. So 1st September to 7th September, hit enter. Then this is the amount that I have run in ads. And if I paste this, so $163 in ads from 1st to 7th, okay? From 1st September to 7th September, I've made $373 in profits. So again, if I do the maths for this one, 373 minus 163, 163. So you can see $210 in profits. So here, here I was in $214 profit. Here I was in $210 profit. Now you see, I'm making about $200 profit per week. And if I do the maths for this one, 25 August to 31st of August. So let's go back. 25th of August to 31st of August. 31st of August, hit apply. So spent about 9,309. That would be around, okay, sorry. $9,309. That would be around $126 in ads. And I have made $316 in profit, in revenue. So if I go here and then deduct this with 126, 126, so you see $190 profit. So I'm making about $200 per week, $200+ per week profit with Clickbank and Google Ads. And I just wanted to, you know, show this journey to you live on my Clickbank and Google Ads account, and post this on my YouTube channel so that you can get inspired that yes, money can be made if you know what you're doing. Okay, I would be posting further updates about this. Okay, so today is 19th of September. I've not received any sales for the last 3 days. So hopefully if I receive further sales in the next coming week, I am going to post an update. So if you want to see an updated video and about my future sales in the next coming week, in the next coming days, please make sure to comment below this video that yes, you want to see that update. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you share this video as well, okay? Because I would be recording this as a journey, okay? So thank you for watching, and see you in the coming days. Take care. Bye-bye. This is Shabir Khan. You can also follow me on my Facebook profile, okay?